also tie up with yung big organizations, especially international. We know for a fact, Reyes Cup is again to be hosted by the Philippines, tapos Matchroom, WNT, WPA, Batina. So, kayo din, before, meron kayong tie-up with Matchroom, di ba?
Yes.
Yung Philippine Open yun nun?
Sharks International
Yes.
9-ball Open.
Okay, so meron bang plano, probably, kung not this year, in the coming years?
Yes, definitely. We're open to partnering with other organizations. Pero right now, we want to focus dun sa local league namin kasi we want to prioritize yung players na hindi nakakalabas ng bansa. Na magkaroon sila ng kumbaga, way of living.
Yes. Okay, so thank you so much, Hadley, for sharing the updates about the Sharks Billiards Association. Invite again para dun sa ating community for the second season of the league.
So abangan nyo ang draft pick namin June 29. Ito ng end of this month. Tapos follow our Facebook page, Sharks Billiards Association, pati Instagram and YouTube namin. And the season 2 will start September 15. So please follow yung page namin for more updates. And definitely, as the season draws near, marami pa kaming events na ilalabas and maraming videos getting to know players. So subaybayan nyo sa Facebook page namin yan. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Hadley Mariano of Sharks Billiards Association.
Next week wala.
Okay.
Araw
Yes.
ng Maynila.
Araw ng Maynila. Oy, araw natin. Okay, thank you very much and congratulations. Abangan niyo po, Sharks Billiards Association Season 2. Ito po ang PSA Sports Forum. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone. Magbabalik po kami the next Tuesday na po because next Tuesday we will be celebrating Araw ng Maynila. Salamat po.